Mick Cotton's Barbecue prime rib video number 2. I got it all seasoned up. The prime rib for tomorrow. It's beautiful. So this is what I used. I used safflower oil, the very high heat, and Philippe's mustard horseradish, just a little, as a binder. Then I used my special SPG, salt, pepper, and garlic. Then I used, of course, you gotta use a little Lowry celery salt or seasonings, because they are the king of prime rib. Then some Weber for some color, some smoking rub for color, and my special blend of right rub. I put secret stuff in there. It's got a bunch of stuff. It's my own secret. So I got all that prime rib. I'm gonna wrap it in cellophane, plastic wrap, really tight. Put the whole thing in the refrigerator overnight, 24 hours. This time tomorrow, I'll put it in the kitchen and let it sit out for like 4 or 5 hours to get it at room temperature before I put it in the oven at 500 degrees for 45 minutes. And it'll be done. Mick Cotton's Barbecue with prime rib. Yes. Peace, love, and aloha to Skagit. Merry, happy holidays to everybody. See you guys later. Tomorrow, I guess. Just be cooking it. I'll just put it in the oven, so when I slice it, I'll make another video. Alright.